nothing but honey. This is nighttime tea. And it's daytime. Against the eyes, bro. So, today we'll be putting all the studio equipment more that way because today I got my desk. So this room will officially start getting touched. Kicks of the day. Yeah, we're gonna start the studio though, man. It's fun. Yeah, that's crazy. You start finishing it? Oh, you gotta send me that. Fuck this nigga, he ain't coming right now. He right there. Montana. This is crazy. I gotta literally come back down here and get all this shit. Open it up, examine it. Call me the heartbreak kid, but I ain't never felt a love like this. I nearly cried my tears out, but I'm a man, so I gotta hold out. They used to call me the heartbreak kid, but I ain't never felt a love like this. I nearly cried my tears out, but I'm a man, so I gotta hold out. Hold out, hold out. I'm a man, so right I gotta hold out. Hold out, hold out. So I gotta hold out. All this motherfucking change. This the measure window pane. Hidden message on your phone. You know it never be the same. Put it back with hesitation. Might delete the whole conversation. Acting like nobody ever said none. But the truth be told, that's some fake stuff. I'd rather be honest than lie. You speak little truth, but you lie. When I asked you what happened, you sighed. Instead it's irrelevant, I don't believe not a word that you mumble up. When you caught, you got nothing to say. You might learn who you are when you come to your senses, but we gon' part ways today. They used to call me the heartbreak kid, but I ain't never felt a heartbreak like this. I nearly cried my tears out, but I'm a man, so gotta hold out. They used to call me the heartbreak kid, but I ain't never felt a love like this. I nearly cried my tears out, but I'm a man, so bruh. That might look real fucking good. I don't know, I kinda like that. I'm gonna take those hooks from my old curtain, and we're gonna make those work somehow. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use those hooks, get a screwdriver, and put my fucking basketball court up. Look in the mirror, what do you see? I'm the plug, nigga. I'm a drug dealer, throwing love, nigga, for the whole thing. Ain't no rush with it, I'm in love with it. Look in the mirror, what do you see? I'm the plug, nigga. I'm a drug dealer, throwing love, nigga, for the whole thing. Ain't no rush with it, I'm in love with it. Look in the mirror, what do you see? I'm the plug, nigga. I'm a drug dealer. Throwing love, nigga. Whole thing. No rush. I'm in love with it. Hey, pull up and go. Diamonds attack. I ain't finished yet. Currently in this Walmart. Getting a few things for the studio again. This time I'm gonna do leather bean bags with a handle. Just gonna do it. Hey, pull up the mud, we famous. And the money don't count the same. And time don't fly. Just like they whipping that new shit that I know you want it, yeah. I done seen a couple bags, I done seen the bag. Out of Neptune in my mags, dunking on my pants. Can somebody call a pest patrol, she bugging me. She didn't love me back then, so don't go fuck with me. I kept my phone on the wall, just cause I knew that you called me. Wondering where I've been at till the money I'm back. Did you notice the stacks I got? I've been on 10, but shit you ain't noticed cause we ain't real friends. We was close in the blood, baby. Now we further and further from kin. A drink at the bar, Rick Ross, come on, throw it on the floor, fuck it up, get a drunk, money, throw that shit up. All that repetition got me optimistic, over calculating moves like I'm scared to get it, And the picture should be vivid, splashing through my city drum. Banging beats that give me feeling, check my whip ability, son. Drape that Gucci to the socks, yeah, it's one complexion. All my diamonds cut through midnight, so don't second guess. Calibrii, motherfucker, look in the mirror. What do you see? What do you see? I'm the blood nigga, the blood nigga. I'm a drug dealer, throwing love for the whole thing. No rush, I'm in love with it. Look in the mirror. What do you see? I'm the blood nigga. I'm a drug dealer, throwing love nigga for the whole thing. No rush, I'm in love with it. I know that you're beautiful, and you know that I miss you, girl. Where you coming from? I need to know your whereabouts. Did you call me?
So here's the final stage of the studio. I gotta drill in that Avalon, and I gotta drill in that Apollo. And after that, I should be finished. So, we can play some music while we drilling that, though.
Control, yeah, control, yeah, control, yeah, control. I said I need to be in control. What you into, girl? You say you like dominatrix. I know that you stay in the matrix, girl. And it might seem different. To me, it makes no difference. Because it's fuck my presence. You're losing your mind over all this dumb.
Even 100.
I said I need to be in control. What you into, girl? You say you like dominatrix. I know that you stay in the matrix, girl. And it might seem different. To me, it makes no difference. Because it's fuck my presence. Hey. Control, yeah, control, yeah, control, yeah, control, yeah, control, yeah, control.